Modipa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So were you able to practice anything on API?
Okay, yeah, but the thing is that do you know that realtor is back? But when I tried it, when I was done imputing the key and the value and I sent it, it keeps showing you are not subscribed to this API. So I didn't even know how you subscribed for the other one. I tried, but I could not. So I just did them that way. Let me share my screen. So
Okay. Modipa, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Sorry,
check.
my network tripped off.
Okay, okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay,
Yeah, I can see it now.
okay. This Brave New Coin was previous one.
Go to the website itself.
Okay,
That's where you know if still have subscription.
can you see?
Okay, this is the real tour.
Yes.
Oh, you're not logged in.
No, so am I logged in this way?
You can go back to the API. Hmm? Click on that tab.
This?
No. The third one after that. The other one. Refresh. How does it keep bringing you here? Go to docs. Okay. Go to the previous tab. Okay. Refresh. Reload. Okay. So click on the Realtor app. Click on the Realtor API. Yeah. So now you see that you've not subscribed.
I don't even
Are
know how
you
we got to this point. Yeah, I'm here.
see that last subscription that you did? I think something happened to their account, and they had to maybe renew their subscription with Rapid API or something. So now everything that you did before, you need to redo it again. So that's why you need to resubscribe.
Okay. How will I subscribe now?
That subscribe button,
I already clicked on the button.
the
Choose the right
basic,
plan for you.
the subscribe button on that basic. You are clicking on $1,000 per month.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can use it to test now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll be sending.
So I can go back.
I'm coming. I want to send you. So on your own, right? Without
Mm-hmm.
any aid, without any book, the document I sent to that group, right? You answer it. You answer it maybe in a doc or Excel, and send it to me.
Okay. Now.
No, not now, not now. It can be after the
Okay.
class. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's stop sharing. Yeah.
The other, did you use any other API to test?
Yeah. Okay. The one we tried, the Brave New Coin, the one I subscribed it to,
Mm,
the one you helped me subscribe to.
okay, okay. Let's
Let me
see.
check
Let me
the
see that.
results.
No, you don't have a URL for this one.
But why is it empty?
It is a URL. Invalid
So this one
API.
bring invalid API key.
Mm, you need to copy the right key and paste. You see this X Rapid API key is wrong.
Mm.
That's what it's telling you.
But it was what I saw on the. That was what I copied.
Right, go there. Let's copy it again.
Can't even remember. Yeah.
Revenue coin. So scroll down and copy this API key. No, just highlight everything and paste on it.
Okay.
Okay. No worry, just paste. Send again. I think I found the issue. Send again. Okay. So unauthorized. You see this get token. Are you with me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, get token endpoint. We need to find a way to. So
Okay.
we need to find a way to link it to our collection. So go to get token endpoint.
Let's get token in.
It's part of the endpoint you created.
Okay. This.
Mm-hmm. Now go to body. Okay. Send. Bad request. Mm-hmm. Oh, your content type is not supported. Let's go to the documentation. What kind of content type did they ask for? You need to be very careful with the documentation, what it said. Go to get token. So what is the content type?
Mm. Application slash JSON.
Exactly. Remember what I said during our last class about this JSON, and also if it's something else like that's WWX form encoded.
Mm-hmm.
So now if
Yeah.
it's JSON, right? You can use
Yeah.
WW form URL encoded because they've already indicated the no, that's your response. They've already indicated the content type that will be acceptable. Do you understand? So using I think, was it for Realtor they used WW form encoded, or was it Google Trans?
Google Trans.
Google Trans, yeah. So let's go to Google Trans. So select any of those requests. Go to headers. Can you see the content type you indicated here?
Mm-hmm.
Go to get token for Brave New Coin. Get token. Go to headers. What content type is there?
JSON.
Exactly. Are they the same content type?
Yes. Sir. It's
They're
not the
not the
same as trans, but the
It's not
one
the same.
we were asked to, yeah. But the one the body for this particular one is JSON now, and the content type here is JSON.
I didn't get that. You're looking at the
Here,
response. Oh, okay.
no, I'm saying here the
Mm-hmm.
content type here is application slash JSON here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. On Postman to the content type here is application slash JSON.
And you don't have entered it now.
Oh, okay.
You don't have entered it based on what was in the documentation. Do you understand? So if the documentation says content type is application slash JSON, you come here to Postman, right? You put it there,
Mhm.
content type application slash JSON. But I'm telling you that if you're seeing a content type JSON and you're seeing another content type WW form URL encoded, they are not the same content types. So if you are seeing WW URL form encoded as your content type in your documentation, right? You will enter the details just like you did for Google Trans. Do you understand? But if it is
Yeah.
JSON, go to body. You need to delete these ones. Delete them.
Which one? This one's here.
Mm-hmm.
The audience and the value.
Audience, client ID, grant type. So no, what you do is no, that's not deleting. You're not deleting it. You can see one X icon by the right. No, don't click inside the box. Just click on the whole row.
Okay.
Can you see the X? Uh-huh. The other one. The other one. Uh-huh. That's how you delete. So now, instead of going to www form URL encoded, you go to raw. So when you're seeing application type JSON, it's under raw. Mm. So can you see the type now, JSON? And if they see content type HTML, click on that JSON drop down. Can you see HTML? If they say content type XML, you come to raw, you select XML. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So now the data for in the documentation, you now copy it and paste it here.
Paste it here.
No, you have to copy it with the curly braces. Delete it and copy with the curly braces. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Go back to Postman. Go back to Postman. It's good that you didn't copy with curly braces so that you add it on your own. So on your keyboard, can you see the curly braces on your keyboard?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Now press enter. No, what did you do? Oh, you remove the schema. I think because you put that space. Enter.
Mm-hmm.
Now paste. Control V. No. Inside the curly brace. Exactly. So now highlight everything. Just do Control A. Just do Control A. Now you see this beautify.
Yes,
Can you see
beautiful.
on that line where you see Jason drop down? You see it by the right.
Okay, yes.
Click on beautify. Okay, so one last thing that we need to do. You see the audience property, client ID property, grant type property. They need to be in double quotes.
Okay.
Remember I said our string must always be inside quotes. Is how you recognize strings. And for numbers, you just write numbers without quotes. So audience, put audience in double quotes. Put client ID in double quotes. Put grant type in double quotes.
Aside the initial.
No, it does not have any. It does not have any quotes. That audience, that
Okay.
word audience, must be in double quotes.
Oh, what did I do?
No, you didn't remove. Just do Control Z. Let's see. Control Z again.
Was it? What was
Control Z.
it?
So click out because it's still highlighted. Click out. Now double quotes. That's
Like that.
shift. No, that's single quote. So for you to get double quote, you need to press down your shift button and then that single quote you entered. What is that? Is that an art?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I know what happened. It switched. So press down the shift key and press 2. Yeah, is that a double quote?
Yes.
Yeah, you see that suggestion it showed you. You removed the double. Okay, you removed it. Oh, yeah, do it in the front too. Do it in the front too. Yeah. Sorry, over under HTTPS. What's wrong? Are you there?
Here.
Yeah. Hover. Yeah, just hover. Value expected. Go back. Value expected. 516. Okay, don't worry. Client ID. Do the same thing for client ID too. Shift 2. No, you're in Google Transfer. You have to go back to Brave New Coin.
But how did it even get there now?
I don't know
Okay.
what you must have pressed a shortcut. Now, your client credentials, put them in double quote as well. No, that's single. Is that single quote?
Double.
Okay, double. Okay.
But this has single. Maybe I
I
should I
remove
remember.
not double. Okay. Do the same thing for the HTTPS. No. That whole line is a URL. So you can't just do HTTPS alone. Like the whole do the same thing for client ID. Yeah. So you can see that you don't have any error again. So I highlight everything again. Control A. Now beautify. Exactly. Can you see it has arranged everything neatly? So click send. So can you see?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now what you will do is you see this access token.
Mm-hmm.
You copy everything without those double quotes. That EYJHB, you copy everything. So to DCG, exactly. Don't copy don't copy that word access token. Copy it. You have to remove those quotes. You were not supposed to copy it to the double quotes. EY, yeah, EY copy. Copy. Then which one was asking for was saying unauthorized? Which one? Which one were we test? Was it market? Go to market.
Invalid API key.
Invalid API key, right? So go to authorization, or better still, yeah, go to authorization. You see that type, click on the drop down.
Yeah.
So you can see bearer token. So it's a form of authorizing the user. Click on bearer token. Now paste the token inside that token field. Mhm. So next time, if you want to paste, you don't need to right click and paste. Just do Control V. Control C is to copy. Control V is to paste. Control A is to select all. Hmm? Control Z. Control Z is to undo. Then if you're on Microsoft Word, Control Y is to redo. So you need to know all these shortcuts. It makes your work faster. So now click send. Why is it still saying invalid API key? Hmm. Can you see my screen?
No, should I stop sharing?
Yeah, stop sharing. Can you see my screen now?
No. Okay. I can now.
So I want to do it from my end here. And see what the issue is.
Okay.
Okay. Get token. Hope you're seeing you following me.
Yes.
might just use this.
Airtel.
I'm buy Airtel 5G.
MTN has been bad for shares this week. For use Airtel is better.
I use my Airtel for the local because I want to finish the MTN with them.
Oh, what else is left?
And that's all. And who else about microwave?
Which one?
That's less we talked about. But you don't get it.
Baba, you don't question yesterday.
She says,
Mm.
what's that?
Mm.
Eight. Tomorrow night. Monday 10th.
Are you still with me, Odukwe?
Yes. Yes.
Endpoint does not exist. That's strange.
Mommy, I picked it. And I was standing and feeling that yes, this thing syrup. Sweet.
What response are you getting?
All unauthorized.
Modupe.
Yes, I'm here. 401.
Hello, Modupe.
Hello, can you hear me? Oh, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Oh, sorry. Hold on, sister. I don't think she called me.
Hello, can you hear me now?
I already said she called me. So go down first. Go chat. Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. Yeah. I was about to forget one night.
Hello, can you hear me, Modupe?
Yes, I can hear you now.
My network was behaving. Can you see my screen?
She's coming up.
Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I can.
Oh, yeah. So the mistake that I did was using a get method. I mean, using a post method instead of get
Oh,
method.
okay.
That was why I didn't. That was why I was saying does not exist. But I think that is actually a wrong message. Hello?
I think the issue is from the grave point itself. Maybe the
No, 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 no,
instructions are wrong.
no. Everything is fine. I ran it now. It's okay. But the error
Okay.
message they gave is wrong. So among all the error codes that you know, the ones in the for section.
Mm-mm. No.
Hello? Like I mean
Yes.
400, 41, and the likes. So can you mention the ones that you know, aside the one I just mentioned now, and their meaning? Because that will determine what should be the correct response code they should display instead of saying endpoint does not exist.
There's 429. Too many requests. 403. Forbidden.
Uh-huh.
41. Unauthorized.
Uh-huh.
404. Not found.
Uh-huh.
400. Bad request.
Uh-huh.
200. Okay.
Still 400. Don't go to 200.
Okay. Still 400. Um. Have I mentioned 49?
Yeah.
Um.
Is there no 405
4.
there?
No, 405.
There's 405. 405 is method not allowed. Do you understand?
Okay.
So when you
405.
use
Method not.
yeah, so when you use a wrong method like I did here, right? The response code should be method not allowed. Did you get that?
Mhm.
I don't know why my network is so slow today.
This is the weather.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so I got a response. I don't know why you're not getting. I don't know why you're not getting it.
The only response I got is the 401 unauthorized.
You shouldn't be. You shouldn't be. Share it.
I'll share my screen.
This is yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Modipe, I can't see your screen.
Oh, okay. Let me. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
see your screen. I've seen the issue.
Okay, what's the issue?
You went to put the X When you put the extra PDPI key and extra PDPIOs in params instead of headers. Yes, no, it should be.
Oh yeah, that's the issue. Should I send now?
Yeah, send. I hope that token has not timed out though. But try to send.
You think I was before? I told you. You think I was blind? No.
Okay, it was successful. It's still loading the data. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
I think your network too is suffering
Mm.
this. But
Think it's that.
it's already showing.
It's showing 200 already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Seems the data is a lot too.
Yeah, the data is quite low, quite plenty actually. So that's why if you check that documentation, right, there's an aspect where you need to enter actual parameters. But because of the fact that you don't know the details, go to the documentation.
On Brave New Coin itself, on the API.
Yeah, API.
Um,
Yeah. Click on get token.
it's on Get Token.
Test endpoint.
I think it's on his market.
No. Still on that documentation. Yeah, I know.
Or what?
And click on it. Test endpoint. No, that's it now. That button up there.
Okay, I think.
Mm-mm. Test endpoint. Test.
But is it not this
And
endpoint this year you're talking about?
I didn't say endpoint. I said test endpoint.
Test endpoint.
That's
So
the
where
name
is
of the
it?
button.
That's the name of the
Button. Test endpoint.
okay.
Now go to market. Lookups. Go to lookups. Then click market. I will say market.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, click on market. Not market by ID. Market. Now click test. Scroll down before you click on test endpoint. Scroll down. Inside the parameters, scroll down inside. You see that header parameters. Yeah, scroll down. So you can see what they are showing us. Parameters, optional parameters. That's base asset ID and code asset ID, right? But we don't know. We don't know what to put. We don't know what is a base asset ID. We don't know what is a code asset ID. Or just scroll up again. Then click on test endpoint. Uh-huh. Click on 0.
Yeah.
Click on 0. Yeah.
This area.
Then that icon beside it. Yeah, that icon beside it. Yeah. That icon by the left is like a drop down.
It is showing
Mhm.
ID, base
So can you
asset
see the
ID.
base ID and code ID?
I've clicked on it.
Hmm? So now, are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah. So you know what you do? You know what you do? This code asset ID, right? Copy it in our own postman, params in postman.
Why am I finding it difficult to copy this one?
Maybe it's a mouse because I'm seeing like 4 different mouse on my screen like this.
Hmm.
Maybe network, sure.
Params, eh?
Yeah, params, yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. So can you see now?
Mm.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
So instead of us getting all those long, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello, can you hear me? So can you see that it has narrowed everything down to just one record? Scroll down. I think that we have more than one. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Scroll down in the response. Scroll the response. Yeah. No. That's not postman. Are you using an external mouse?
Mm-mm.
You need to get
No.
now. You want to scroll down. Okay, you know what? Let me show you a trick now. Put 2 fingers Put 2 fingers on your keyboard.
Yeah, it's on it.
Yeah, drag up, drag down. Don't click. Just put 2 fingers on your keyboard, then drag up, drag down. No, be inside the response field. Now,
It's not working.
it's not working. Okay, I think we still have a lot of response. A lot. Ish. Okay. Copy this base asset ID. Copy this base asset ID in the response here. Okay, don't worry, go ahead. Control C. Yeah, go to your key. Control V. Now copy the value. Control C. Control V. Now uncheck quote asset ID. That checkbox, uncheck it for quote asset ID.
Here.
No. In the params, query params. That checkbox by the left. That's a checkbox. Not base, quote. Now send. Do we still have plenty records?
No, I don't think so.
Yes, we do.
It's still a lot.
But it's still better than Abi. So you see this ID that you're seeing here now, right?
Yes.
Is called market ID. It's an ID that was generated, right, when you ran the market endpoint. So now you see this
Okay.
get market by ID, right?
Yes.
Let's try and copy the ID here and paste it there.
The ID were here.
No, this ID under go back up.
This ID here.
Yeah. Just copy the value. Copy the value. Only the value. Copy it. Control C. I don't want me to use right click. Control C. So now okay. Go to market by ID. Now paste it in the value. Just enter ID in the key.
I should do ID.
ID. No, small. So now, I think you've not pasted the. So now you need to copy the URL. Go to the documentation, copy the URL, and paste it before that question mark. Don't erase what is inside here. Paste the URL before the question mark. Go to documentation and paste. Market by ID.
Should I send?
Do backspace till you get to that code.
What quote?
Backspace. So you get to the code after D, capital D, 7D. Continue. Yeah, that's it. No. Press that capital D again. So yeah, now you need to do the headers. You don't fill the headers. That's extra PDPI key, extra PDPI host.
So my copying this thing is always an issue. Should I send?
Okay, hear me.
Yeah. Should I send?
Send. There's a space in your rapid API queue. There's a space before that B. Go to your rapid API key. That value.
But there's okay.
There's a space before it. Try sending. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Did you send it? What happened?
Same result, bad
Send it.
request.
Bad request. Go to the documentation. Scroll down. That middle. Scroll down in the middle. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Something is wrong. They didn't put actual what's it called? Asset ID.
Last week, a transcript.
Bearer token. I'm still with you. Hold on. You're in market ID, right? It doesn't require bearer token. Asset ID doesn't require it.
This transcript comes the closest to the scenarios that might be contributed. It seems to find out. Let's take a look. See, it does have what you think you see this. Looks like the difference. This is arbitrary transfer. It keeps doing this. Just giving it a creative it's reverse transfer. It's 52. The manager's supposed to deliver the center. The subsidy is deciding now.
Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay. Are you on the okay? You're on the documentation. So look at what they said here. Required parameters ID. He said the UUID, the unique user ID, resource identifier of a market, e.g., BTC/USD equals this. Well, okay, scroll up by the left.
Left.
Yeah, I mean like this major scroll bar. Yeah. Click on asset endpoint. The asset endpoint. Yeah. Now test endpoint.
This one.
Test endpoint. Okay, you're there. So based on if you want to get any ID, right? You see this ID that is displayed for this particular asset, VIS and Vision. Scroll down. There are different assets. So pick anyone from 1 to 15 and check the drop down. So after checking the drop down, you copy the ID and you paste it in either your market ID or your asset ID.
This one. This is for market ID.
And for market ID, you need to use market by ID endpoint. You need to use market ID endpoint. Then for asset by ID endpoint, you need to use asset ID endpoint. That ID you copied is for assets. Copy paste it in what's it called? Asset by ID endpoint. Should work. No, you didn't do headers. You didn't do your headers like
Okay, this is even supposed to be in headers here.
No. You don't understand. Your X Rapid API key, X Rapid API was the usual. Well,
I'm not even feeling today's class. I'm having serious headache. So I'm just struggling.
sorry.
I can't even find the key and the
You can find the key and value for X Rapid API key and
for
host, right?
yes.
Yeah, that's because you are currently on the response tab. Scroll up. You see now, yes, you're on the results tab. You go to code snippet.
Did I find? Well, this okay. Should I send it now? Yeah.
That's it. Oh no, you don't have a URL in your asset by
Okay.
ID. You just have parameters there, so it won't go. Just copy the URL and paste before the question mark. Copy the code. Okay, don't worry.
Even the thing is that this one, the one we've been working on now, why is it not straightforward like the ones we've been doing like last week?
It's actually straightforward. You just need to get used to it. Remove the code. Remove the code. There's a code there. Yeah. Now try sending.
Okay.
So can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. It's actually straightforward. It's straightforward. You just need to get used to.
You know the last class we
Mm.
didn't have to maybe go to test. We didn't have to
And
go
that
to test point
and that
to
it's a documentation, so you don't really know what is expected, especially if they don't really explain in details what you should use in testing as your test data. So now, well, instead of using that test endpoint, right? The test endpoint was just for us to see an example of what it would look like. Do you get?
of what the result is going to look like. Yeah.
Yes. So it's the result of your asset, right? The IDs, the result in the IDs. Sorry, what am I saying? The IDs in the result for your asset endpoint will feed into asset by ID endpoint. The same thing for market endpoint will feed into market by ID endpoint. Do you understand?
Okay.
So I think what I would advise you is you need to do more practice with more endpoints and get used to it. Do you understand? It's very simple, it's very easy to understand, but you just need to get used to it.
Mm-hmm. So I'll have to use this. But can't I use only this code snippet?
Yeah, you can use the code snippets. No,
Okay,
there's
but
no.
so you're saying if it is not yielding results, like going further, I'll now try test endpoint and all that.
Yes. That should be like your last resort.
Okay, for this Muruto, I was even trying um okay. I made the keys variables, yeah. So when
Mm-hmm.
I was not even trying to work on something else, I could not call out the variable, like instead of copying and pasting the variable again.
Okay, you know
Okay,
what?
like let me clear this one now. Should
Yeah,
I? Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So
So
do your curly braces.
sorry, wait. Okay.
Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
But the reason why you should be careful is this, right? You have a lot of. Okay, this one is for realtor.
Yeah.
Okay. You're good. You're good. So any other question?
No, that's it.
Yeah. So please, I want you. You have done realtor. You've done Google Trans. You've done asset, right? And Brave Newcom. Please, I want you to do like more.
Yeah,
Do you
I'll
understand?
do more. Yes.
Because the next class
I'll,
will be our official final class. So we'll be treating the project that you worked on. We'll treat it together. And any other question
okay.
that you have, you can bring it up and we'll walk through it. So that document that I sent to
Okay.
you, as well, just try and test your knowledge.
That document, the one you sent,
Yeah, that PDF.
the questions, that PDF, those questions,
I've
yeah,
asked
we
you
have
in
to
the
pick
I've
out
asked you in the class before now. I just collated all of
first
them.
one,
I
the
just collated.
principles.
I collated all of them.
No,
All
no,
the
it's only just once the answered question.
Okay, we only answered question once. Are you sure? Not
Once, yes.
uh maybe it was
Because
in
the
the
question is there.
no problem, just answer them. There are things that
Okay.
you understand.
Mm, okay. Okay, so you go through the one I sent,
Yeah, I'll go through it.
the Parabank.
Yeah, I'll go through
Okay.
it. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
thank you very
Thank you.
much. Meet
Thank
next
you.
year.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Bye.